Hey there, sewing friends. It's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching, extra super duper welcome. And if you are one of the regular viewers, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey. What is this journey? Well, this journey is me showing you 365 sewing makes. 365 of them. Today is day 58. Why am I doing this? I must be crazy. Well, being crazy helps, I think. But I'm doing this kind of for two reasons. One, I hope if you are a new sewer, and I kind of consider myself a fairly new sewer. I've been sewing for just about exactly 2 years now. That I hope I inspire you to try sewing, start sewing, continue sewing, get back into sewing, that it is a lot of fun, and that there's a lot of different things you can do. This is all about garment sewing, and another reason I'm doing it is because it definitely helps to motivate me to keep sewing when I need to keep sharing. So today, what I want to share with you is this little number. It is a very drapey, flowy. It looks like a one piece, but it's actually two pieces, a top and a pair of pants. It is made out of this very beautiful navy and with red, pink roses on it. It's rayon challis, so that's why it has such a beautiful drape to it. It's very light, very good for winter, or not winter, very good for summer. Unfortunately, I think we're at winter now. I made it from Butterick 6221. It is a lifestyle wardrobe pattern. I love these patterns because you get a whole lot of different things in it. This one has a dress, these drapey pants, a little top, and a pair of shorts. And I'll show you the line drawing on the back. The sleeves are just, the front is just one piece and the back is one piece. So very easy to sew. The front of the pants is a waistband. The back has elastic. We have a couple pleats in the front and nice pockets. So you know where to put your hands when you're strolling down the street. You see the top, there's no seam for the sleeves, they're just cut on. And I finished the top with purchased bias binding. Has a little V-neck. Yeah, I think it's cute. Give you a twirl. Is this something you would wear in the summertime? If you were going somewhere nice. It's very cool. Love to hear in the comments your thoughts on it. And today, in my grateful thread, which I like to end all my videos with a bit of gratitude about something, because I think we have to work at that. We have to work at feeling grateful for everything around us. And today, what I want to show you is my handy dandy magnetic pin. Well, it's not a cushion. My magnetic pin holder. I love this thing. It's great. You drop the pins on the floor, you just hold it over the floor and they all snap to it. And I sew very quickly because I got 365 things to make. So I sew in a hurry, and I just kind of take the pins out and throw it in the direction of this, and they just stick to it. Prior to having this, I just take them out and kind of have them on the table beside me. Well, you know how that works. A lot of them end up on the floor. So I'm very grateful for my handy dandy pin holder. And I'm not endorsing any particular brand or anything. I'm just saying, if you're sewing, you might want to invest in one of these. I might actually invest in another one of these because they're so great. So thank you for joining me. I'm going to try to add at the end of this video a link to the video. I made this pattern with a different top. Just link to that video so you don't have to look for it. And thank you so much for joining me. And I hope that these little videos inspire you, because I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.